Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for CreditSaint credit education. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that helps individuals improve their credit scores and financial well-being. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for getting the most out of CreditSaint credit education. First, it is essential to understand the importance of credit education. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your financial health, and a good credit score can help you qualify for better loan rates, lower interest rates, and more favorable credit terms. CreditSaint credit education provides you with the tools and resources needed to improve your credit score and maintain good credit habits. To get started with CreditSaint credit education, you need to sign up for their program and take a credit assessment test. This test will help identify areas where you need improvement and provide personalized recommendations for boosting your credit score. The CreditSaint team will also work with you to develop a customized plan to address any credit issues and improve your overall credit health. One of the key concepts in CreditSaint credit education is credit monitoring. This involves regularly checking your credit report to ensure it is accurate and up to date. You can use CreditSaint's credit monitoring tools to track changes to your credit report and receive alerts when any changes occur. This helps you stay on top of your credit and catch any errors or inaccuracies before they affect your credit score. Another critical aspect of CreditSaint credit education is credit score analysis. This involves understanding the factors that affect your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and credit age. By analyzing your credit score, you can identify areas where you need to improve and make targeted changes to boost your score. CreditSaint provides you with detailed analysis and recommendations to help you improve your credit score. In addition to credit monitoring and credit score analysis, CreditSaint credit education also focuses on building good credit habits. This includes making on-time payments, keeping credit utilization low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. By following these best practices, you can maintain a healthy credit score and avoid common pitfalls that can harm your credit. To illustrate the effectiveness of CreditSaint credit education, consider the example of an individual who has a poor credit score due to late payments and high credit utilization. By working with CreditSaint, this individual can develop a plan to pay bills on time, reduce debt, and improve their credit utilization ratio. Over time, this can lead to a significant improvement in their credit score, enabling them to qualify for better loan rates and more favorable credit terms. In conclusion, CreditSaint credit education provides individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to improve their credit scores and maintain good credit habits. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can take control of your credit and achieve financial well-being. Remember to regularly monitor your credit report, analyze your credit score, and build good credit habits to maintain a healthy credit score. With CreditSaint credit education, you can achieve a better financial future and enjoy the benefits of good credit.